These are the cabinet handle I needed to fix. So actually I was trying to check if it will balance, because it's the way I'm seeing it is not going to enter, so I'm just checking it. So I also washed clothes that day. Yes, I washed clothes with my hands. So this is outside, so because the sun is too much, so I know before evening. Day to you wherever you may be. Yes, so this is your girl, your sister, your friend from another mother. Today you are going to be joining me on my routine. This is just a day. Yes, mother of 4. This is what I do sometimes. So I notice actually some of the cabinet doesn't have handle, so and the handles are available, so I said let me just put them. So that's what you are seeing here, guys. So I said let me put them, so we are still showing you as my YT family and friends. It's not difficult in case you want to get yours done. So you just need the nuts, the screwdriver, also your handle. I think you could see it to buy. Actually this one was gotten from Canada Tire. I know you can see it to buy SV anyway, so it's not that expensive. So because I noticed we do make use of the cabinet, so I said it will be good if you put the handle so that we can be using it. So I'm doing it, I'm getting it done. I'm so happy doing it. And I'm so happy that you guys are with us too, and we are doing this together. So we are just here to motivate, to encourage one another, that as a stay-at-home mom, yes, you can still do this too. You shouldn't leave everything for our husband, leave everything for our dad to do. You can do it. Sometimes I might not even know some things. I'll just tell my son, we go it, we check. You say, mom, this is how to do it, and we will try our best. No first trial, there's always an error. We know when we keep doing it, we know how to do it better. So this is just it. I'm just trying to put the handle on the cabinet so that it will be easier for us whenever we want to open it. We can make good use of it. Actually, where I wanted to put it, it didn't fit in, so that's why I'm putting it in another one now. I noticed it wasn't the size, so I'm putting it in another one. So this is just one of the things we do at home, one of our routine at home. As a mother, please comment below, let us know. Yes, so things that you do at home too. This is just one of the things, so don't worry, with time we'll still be showing you guys more. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to our channel. Yes, I will use this medium to appreciate our returning subscribers and those that are just joining us. This is how we roll. We flow together like brothers and sisters. Thank you so much. Don't forget, if it is possible, help us to share, and whatsoever you know that we can do too to keep the ministry moving, still let us know. It's allowed. Your comments will be appreciated. That's why we are here. Thank you so much for your understanding. Thank you so much for your love. Don't forget to give us like. We appreciate you all. So we are just here trying to do it together. This is just one of my routine at home. Other things are being done, but this is just I said, okay, let me just show you guys, because I was saying that I'm going to do it. So if you like it, please, I need thumbs up from you. I need thumbs up from you. So this is it. After doing this, I have clothes that I needed to wash. I don't pile up the clothes. The clothes are supposed to be more than that actually, but I don't pile it up. I always soak the clothes. So before I was doing this, I've soaked the clothes down. Yes, I've soaked the clothes down before I did what I'm doing. This handle that I'm putting on this cabinet, so you can see how strong it is. So after doing this, I started washing the clothes. Yes, with my hands. It's possible to wash your clothes with your hands, and it will even be more cleaner. Yes, that's just the truth. It will be more cleaner. So I started washing. Here I'm just trying to show you guys the one I wanted to fix. It's not the size, so I have to get another one. It's not that expensive. I have to get another. So this is the one I've done for today. These 3 cabinets that you are seeing. This is the one I did to this. Okay, it's good. So here your sister is washing. I'm washing the clothes here now. What I do is that before I wash, I don't just get them and wash. No, I soak them first. I don't know about you, so let me know how you do yours. I soak them down first. I don't know why I always do this, even right from the time. I always soak them down, not till daybreak anyway, just for some, maybe like 1 hour. I'll just soak it. Then I will come back to start work. To me, I just feel it's easier when I soak them, then come and start washing them. It is easier for me. It makes the work faster. When I don't soak it and I don't know why I feel uncomfortable washing it straight like that. I always soak them. So when you are washing your clothes, always the armpits, the neck. I was even telling my daughter, she was with me, the neck, the down of it too. That is the aim of the cloth. The armpit, you wash it, the neck you wash. So I'm just trying to, she was with me. She was the one actually holding the camera for me, so I was teaching her how to do it. I said, I know you'll be washing your panties, but very soon you will do this too. So I was telling her, this how you go about it, this how you wash your clothes. Not that those of us that have dryer is not good. It's good when you use your dryer, but sometimes I just love to do these things. For now, our dryer is bad. Yes, for now our dryer is bad. The washing machine is bad, but the dryer is okay. But even at that, I still prefer to go and dry it outside. I don't know why, this natural sun. I still prefer, because it's like, mommy, you use the dryer, so okay, I will use it, but I still end up hanging it outside. When it's not dry, bring it inside. That was actually what happened. I still brought it inside, but I know that sun has hit it. Don't mind me. Oh, don't mind me. Oh, I can be so funny sometimes. So this is it. So I'm just washing the clothes here now. I have this big plastic that I use. I'll just soak everything inside. I wash them. I sit on the bath. Yes, like when doing it, I sit on the bath and wash them. Since I've soaked it, make it easier for me and faster. But I noticed if I didn't soak it, it will be strong, harder for me. So maybe that is why I like soaking them first before washing the clothes. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your love. I'm using this medium to do shout out to all my friends out there. Yes, for those of you that are encouraging us in one way or the other, that are telling us to move on, that we can make it. We really appreciate your love. We appreciate you. We pray that God will continue to bless you, all your endeavor. God will continue to make a way for you when there seems to be no way. Yes, so this time around that people are just hearing different thing up and down, bad news. our friends will not hear bad news. That is just the truth. Our wifey family and friends will not hear bad news. Good news we will continue to hear with our ears. That is just the truth. It shall be well with us wherever we go. God will protect us. Yes, we shall be favored. That is the truth. God will favor you. How God is going to do it, I don't know, but I have this strong assurance in me that God is going to favor you. Sometimes you will look for something, you will begin to say, God, where are you? But I'm here to encourage you that God has not left you. He's still there with you. He's still there to help you through. What you are going through is just a passing phase. Very soon it will be over. What you are going through now is just a mess for you to have a message. Do you understand? If you go through trials, you cannot have testimony. You need to be tested in order for you to have a testimony. So sometimes you shouldn't sit that way. So here your sister is still here. I'm washing the clothes. I finished washing them. I've rinsed them. Actually, I didn't put that one because I don't want the video to be too long. I'm drying the clothes now. I need to know this. I don't know. I'm used to it. Whenever I want to sew clothes, I will turn the back. I don't know. Please comment below how you do yours. I'm this kind of person. This is me for you. I do my own thing. I will turn the back. Someone was telling me, you don't need to turn the back. Just turn it like that. I don't know. I'm already used to it. Please let me know how you do yours. Do you turn the back or you just get it dried like that? Please, comment section. Let's continue the gist on the comment section. And if you are turning the back, bravo. Yes, bravo to you, bravo to me. And if you are not, still let us know. Bravo to you also. Yes, so this is just one of the things we do at home. Sometimes when we are home, we need to get things done. I don't leave the clothes pile up. Our clothes are actually more than this, but I wash sometimes, maybe twice in 2 days. No, in 2 days I wash once. Not every day, maybe in 3 days I wash, just like that. I don't pile it up. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye.